Okay. All right.
when I go ask questions, I would say, like, Coach, ba't di mo ginamit si ganito? Oh, di ba? Then you put the coach in a position. Ako, one time, my greatest experience was this. I was inside the locker room of the Chicago Bulls. This was about 8, 10 years ago when Dwight Howard and James Harden was still in the together in the Houston Rockets. All right.
Mm-hmm.
So during that game, James Harden in the he didn't shoot much. Si James Harden shoot too much, too many. Tapos si Dwight Howard na hindi masyado. So tinanong ko si James Harden and si James in the locker room. Si James, do you agree that Dwight Howard is one of the best players in the NBA in the low post? I mean, yeah, he's good, he's big, blah blah blah. And then I said, why didn't you pass the ball to him? I mean, he didn't. He only had like 6 field goals, and you have 26 field goals, whatever. Tinitigan ako ni James Harden, you know, so, because
But oh,
that was my way of saying, grabe ka naman, ball hog ka naman, di ba? So
yan
those
ang
are the
problema eh. Alam mo, I understand where you're coming from, and that those are the questions that's asked by, you know, journalists that make it to the top.